If you are trying to take control of your money in 2026, two budgeting apps you have probably seen are Actual Budget and YNAB. Both help you track spending, plan ahead, and build better financial habits. But they work very differently. In this video, I'll break down pricing, features, pros, cons, and who should use each, so you can decide which is actually worth it. Overview. YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, is a polished subscription based budgeting app focused on zero based budgeting. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a job. It is beginner friendly, guided, and packed with tutorials. Actual Budget, on the other hand, is an open source budgeting app. It's more flexible and privacy focused. You can host it yourself or use a hosted version, and it is designed for people who want full control over their finances and data. Pricing. This is one of the biggest differences. YNAB costs about the same as a streaming subscription per month, or less if billed yearly. There is no free tier long term. Actual Budget is either free if you self host or very cheap if you use a paid host. So if budget matters, Actual is clearly cheaper. Features comparison. YNAB strength. Extremely intuitive interface, built-in bank syncing, strong mobile apps, guided budgeting method, excellent reports and insights. Actual Budget strength. Works offline or self-hosted, full data ownership, highly customizable, fast performance, no forced subscription. YNAB is more polished and automated. Actual is more flexible and technical. Ease of use. If you are new to budgeting, YNAB wins easily. It teaches you how to budget and holds your hand through the process. Actual Budget has a learning curve. Setup takes longer, especially if you host it yourself. It's better suited for people comfortable with tech or those who like tinkering. Privacy and control. This is where Actual Budget dominates. Since it can run locally or on your own server, your financial data doesn't have to live on a company's servers. YNAB stores your data in the cloud. It's secure, but you do not control the infrastructure. Pros and cons. YNAB Pros. Beginner friendly, beautiful interface, automatic syncing. Excellent education tools. YNAB Cons. Subscription cost, requires internet, less customization. Actual Budget Pros. Cheap or free, private and secure, customizable, fast and lightweight. Actual Budget Cons. Setup required, fewer automation features, not as beginner friendly. Final verdict, which is worth it? Choose YNAB if you are new to budgeting, if you want automation, if you prefer a guided system. Choose Actual Budget if you want a low cost option, if you care about privacy, if you like customizing tools. Simple answer, YNAB is better for most people. Actual Budget is better for power users. And that's it for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like and subscribe, and tell me down below in the comments which one have you tried before, and tell me about your experience. And that's all for today's comparison. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.